Hey all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. We are authorized Zoho partners. We help businesses implement Zoho Books and streamline their accounting process. If you are looking for expert guidance or end to end implementation of Zoho Books, feel free to connect with us. So, welcome back to our Zoho Books tutorial series. In this video, we will learn how to merge customers in Zoho Books and keep your records clean and accurate. Sometimes, while importing or manually entering details, the same customer might get created more than once, maybe with slightly different names or emails or addresses. This can make your reports confusing. To avoid that, Zoho Books give you the option to duplicate customers. So for that, go to left sidebar and click on customers under sales module. Here you will see a list of all your customers. Let's say we have two records for the same customer. For example, let's take it as customer 1 as Tansiha and the other is Tansiha price list. The receivables are 12,000 and 2,300. So here I have to merge Tansiha and Tansiha price list. So for that, select the customer record you want to merge. I am merging this with this customer. Click the more button and under the list you can see merge customers. Books will ask you to select the customer record that should remain as the primary record. All transactions from the duplicate record will be moved to this one and the duplicate will be marked as inactive. So here I am choosing as Tansiha. Once you have selected the primary record, click continue. Zoho Books will ask for a configuration and confirmation since this action cannot be undone. So if you are okay with the merging, click on confirm button and that's it. The two records are now combined into one clear customer profile. So the 12,000 and 2,300 are merged into 14,300 and the other customer will be marked as inactive. So merging customers in Zoho Books is quick and helps maintain accurate records for your invoicing, reporting and customers management. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe and for more Zoho Books tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.